Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Boy, getting his car though. Look at that smile. You know what? They never heard you talk before. You want to say something to them?
Tell me don't say anything.
You don't speak.
The new Silence of the Lambs.
You got it, you got it. Who's going? Oh, you got it. It's almost there. There it is. You see what we're doing, right? Whew.
You guys see it?
We got a lot of requests for a kit for the Acty truck, so we're gonna go ahead and do it. We're gonna make a kit.
That's right, guys.
Yeah.
So all the guys with acne. But if you want to buy an acne now's the time to do it because we definitely come with it. So.
Yep. I'm gonna see. Take this thing off right here.
Little R&D process.
Yeah, 14. Yeah, 14.
You guys can see everything kind of mocked up.
And then
first step.
Hey, can you give me a 10 line wrench? A 10 line wrench. Hey, stop that.
What are you doing?
Nova. Oh, there's thunder. There's thunder. There's thunder. There's thunder.
So what do you think?
What's that?
It's gonna be kind of, I mean, not basic, but it's gonna be pretty.
It's gonna be
easy.
pretty bolt-on. Pretty. They got to weld. No, it won't be a bolt-on. They're gonna have to weld the mounts.
Okay.
That's all I'm trying to figure. We gotta figure. Okay. We gotta take this off first. I need a line wrench.
Alright, guys, so definitely stay tuned.
Yeah, so we're going to continue to make this kit. We're going to make it happen. We're definitely going to try to make this thing happen. It looks very, very doable. So just stay tuned.